Hey guys, welcome back. So, update, I got side skirts now. Can you guess what they're made out of? Yeah, probably a rain gutter. But yeah, today I'm just taping this off for trim and stuff and get painted today. So it matches the side skirt and everything else. So the color's not off, so. Yeah, it's gonna probably be a, what is it? A quick time lapse, I believe. So enjoy the video. It's just spray painting today. Yeah, like I just said in the intro, it's mainly just painting. I'm just taping it off right now to get the trim painted and everything and prepped. Also, if you notice, I do have side skirts, and you can probably guess what they are. They're rain gutters. I inverted the gutters to come out 3 inches, so it matches up to where my tires sit. Honestly, it looks more wide and lowered since I added those and everything. Yeah, I didn't make a video on that or anything, which I didn't. I wish I did, but they're held up by bolts that I drilled holes out from the OEM side skirt to hold them on. They're not that bad. They do need another coat because they were white, and you can see that. I do have to do 2 more coats on those. That's about it. But right now, that's my 3rd coat of paint that I'm put on the trim. They did come out pretty decent. So they match the side skirt, and the side skirt doesn't look like it's out of place. But I bought a lip too for the front, waiting for that to come in. I got some epoxy for that.
This is after 3rd
because I'm gonna epoxy it straight to there.
I'm gonna dry.
But that's about it.
That's probably gonna be it for today.
For today's video.
But, definitely for sure.
I'm just waiting on money to come in so I can start the engine build. That's all set and ready. And right there, that's literally the finished product. It came out pretty decent. And I'm liking how the flares and everything match with it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Come by again. Please like and subscribe.